Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have a spider web and we're going to be setting this up outside. Let's go ahead and check out what it looks like here. It comes with a lot of spiders. And then here is the web. So this is it here. I guess, I'm going to have to stretch it all out and make it all webby. So let's go outside and set it up. Okay, so we are here in the yard. I have some of the stuff here. So where I'm going to scrape it, I'll just put it over one of these here just to get it started. But you can see, you can make it as thick or as thin as you want just by stretching it longer or bigger and whatever. Let's just stay out with the big huge web here, the tree and stuff, you know, it just gets stretches big and big and big. And just kind of strap it onto whatever. Stick, even onto brick. We go around the corner. Just becomes a huge spider web, basically. I guess that's what it is. So you get the idea. It just becomes a huge spider web of stuff, and then you can put the spiders on it as you see fit. There's a lot of them here. They're just little spiders like that. You see? Put a couple of them on there. So they're hanging on there, like their friends or whatever. But you get the idea. It's a spider web. Spiders. Stuck on me. And there you go. It's super cool. I like it. Thumbs up.